How to log into your Amazon A to J employee account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Amazon A to J employee account. So first thing, just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Amazon A to J employee login just like this. And you just have to click on this first link which appears over here. So once you click on this first link, it will ask you whether you are a corporate employee or a one who will deliver packages to customers. So since we are creating an account or logging in for an employee account, so I'll just select this. I'm a corporate employee, so which will take you to this page over here, and you just have to enter your registered email address just like this or your username. So once you enter your username just like this, which is obviously registered, now you simply have to enter your security key pin, which will be something like this. And once you enter all of the details correctly, you can simply tap on the sign in button over here. And if you ever forget your password, you can just tap on this reset password button over here to successfully reset and try re-login with your login credentials just like that. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.